For Windows, it's going to come in either a window installer or a zip file. If you're installing from the Windows installer, normal installation, double click on it, it's going to start the installation client, and you're just going to follow the prompts, where you want it to installed, all that sort of a thing. Installing from zip, you simply unzip it in the directory you want to run it from, and just double click the executable to run Blender. With the zip install, you can actually have multiple different versions of Blender running, or not running, on the same system. You just double click and execute the executable that you want, of the version that you want. If you do want a particular version tied to be registered to your computer, you go to the command line and run blender switch R. There is instructions for how to make a portable installation. I'm going to skip that. You can read that if you want. For Windows, you also have the option to install from the Microsoft Store. That is self-explanatory. Each of the 3 separate ways of installation has a separate way of updating it. If you are running from the Windows installer, go to the Blender website, download the Windows installer of the new version, and just reinstall it. Same thing for the zip file. It's basically the same sort of thing, right? Download the zip file, unzip it in the directory that you want to run it from, and run it from the executable. You can also update, or have the option to update, from the Microsoft Store. So that was pretty cut and dry there. Let's move on.